Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, this is the requested video. The topic is about probability. The question is from paper 6, May, June 2008, question 2. In country A, 30% of people who drink tea have sugar in it. In country B, 65% of people who drink tea have sugar in it. There are 3 million people in country A who drink tea and 12 million people in country B who drink tea. A person is chosen at random from these 15 million people. Part 1. Find the probability that the person chosen is from country A. So to answer part 1, the probability that the person is chosen from country A is, out of total 15 millions of people, country A has 3 million. Right, so the probability is 1/5. All right, now we look at part 2. So in order to answer the probability that the person chosen does not have sugar in their tea, so we will try to answer part 2 by using a tree diagram. Okay, first, a person is chosen either from country A or country B, and the probability is 3/15 for country A, right? At the same time, from country B is 12 million out of 15 million. And then, if the person is from country A, when they drink tea, they have sugar in it. So let's see S is sugar in it, S prime, no. Then 30%, 0.3. So 70% does not have sugar in it. Then country B, same thing, sugar in it. It has 65%. All right, then that means 0.35 does not have sugar in it. So in order to answer the part 2, we are trying to find out the probability that the person chosen does not have sugar in their tea. Does not have. So we are trying to find the probability that the person is chosen from country A and does not have sugar in the tea. So, or the person is chosen from country B, 12/15, and multiplied with the probability that does not have sugar in their tea, 0.35. All right, so by using calculator, we will get the probability equals to 0.42. Now we look at the part 3. Okay, given that the person chosen does not have sugar in their tea, find the probability that the person is from country B. So this question is asking about conditional probability, right? The keyword is given. So let me write down the formula. So the keyword is given, and the formula is this. When anything is given, you put at the back, then if I want to find probability of A, then the formula is A intercept B over probability of B. Okay, so according to these questions, given the person chosen does not have sugar in it, so S prime. So we are finding the probability the person is from country B. So this is what we want. So find the probability that B intersect does not have sugar in it over the probability that does not have sugar in it. And if you can see carefully, the denominator is the probability we have found in part 2, which is 0.42. And the numerator is the probability that the person is chosen from country B, which is 12/15. And the probability that the person does not have sugar in the tea, 0.35. And that this is what you get the probability for the conditional probability. So using calculator, answer 2/3. All right. So that's all for these questions. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.